Do you know this one? What do you call this?
Peace sign?
Peace sign. What about this one?
Okay.
Okay sign.
Well, like, it's more like if you do it like
Okay.
facing.
Okay. Okay sign. Peace sign, right? Can you do it? Both hands. This is okay sign. This is peace sign. Right? Okay, let's do it together. This is an exercise. I want you to wake up. Right. Peace sign and okay sign. Right. And then we also need to, you see now, not both peace sign. So one is okay sign, the other is peace sign. Okay, so we need to change. We need to change. Okay. Yeah. This is the. Okay. Five. You can do it. Yeah, you see? Yeah. Do it slower. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah. You need to really focus. Okay. Let's do it for a while. Yeah. Okay. You can even close your eyes if you want.
Did you practice it before?
Me? I have practiced, yes. I have definitely practiced it before.
How come you do it so fast?
Yeah. You don't have to look here and there. You just, yeah. I think it's your brain and your hand coordination, and it will actually keep you awake and alert, and you will never feel sleepy then. I don't no need to look here and there. Just do it.
I'm glad I'm not the only person that struggled.
Okay. Yeah. Now let's try close your eyes and do it maybe 1 minute. See if you can do it without a mistake. Okay. Okay, take a good long deep breath. Thank you. Now we need to really focus, okay? Close your eyes. Keep one palm on the other now. Maybe if you want, you can just rest your palms. Open your palms and place them on your thighs to relax. You can also do it like this and like this. Now look into your breathing. Read your breathing. Observe your breathing. Also read the activity in your brain, in your heart, and the tension in your hand muscles. You have been practicing, exercising. So your brain was really busy trying to coordinate two hands alternatively, practicing peace sign and OK sign. Please check your brain area. Which part of your brain has been stimulated more? You might feel the sensation of some part of your brain. Pay attention to that. Observe that area. Which part of your arms, your palm, your hand is aching more? Which muscle? Pay attention to that. Now focus on your breath again. Natural breathing. Breathing in and breathing out. Just practice 1 more minute silently. Observe your breath, observe your thoughts this time. Do not open your eyes until I say so. Now let us take a good long deep breath and hold it for a few seconds. And then slowly release and relax. Breathing through the nostril. In and out, several long breaths. Relax your body and relax your mind. With closed eyes, keep your palms together close to your heart. Take a good long deep breath and relax. Say 3 times sadhu. 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 Sadhu.